Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video ay magsasagot po tayo ng mga tanong about simplifying algebraic expressions na magagamit po natin sa any government examinations kasi ito po ay usual na lumalabas sa mga numerical ability test. So without any further ado, simulan na po natin.
So we have number 1. Simplify the expression the quantity 3x squared minus 5x plus 7 minus the quantity 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. So what do you think will be the answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? You may pause the video if you'd like to answer. To simplify this, we have to copy first the expression 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. Dito naman sa kabila. At tandaan nyo po na kapag wala kayong number na nakikita dito sa labas, it is understood na may 1 dyan. So ibig sabihin negative 1. I-distribute natin sa bawat terms. So, negative 1 times positive 2x squared, that is negative 2x squared. Next, negative 1 times negative 3x, that is positive 3x. Negative 1 times positive 4, that is negative 4. Ngayon, ang gagawin naman po is to combine like terms. Ang tanong, paano po ba mag-combine like terms? I-combine nyo lang po kapag same sila ng variable and exponent. So, ibig sabihin, 3x squared can be combined with negative 2x squared. Hindi po natin pwedeng pagsamahin si 3x squared kay 5x. Kasi si 3x squared may exponent siya na 2, si 5x, 1 yung kanyang exponent. Kinakailangan, i-combine po natin yung terms kapag same sila ng variable, x and x, at same din sila ng exponent, 2 and 2. So now, let's see. 3x squared minus 2x squared, so that is simply x squared na lang. Next, negative 5x and positive 3x, that is negative 2x. Next, positive 7 and negative 4. So, 7 minus 4, that is simply 3 or positive 3. So, ang sagot pala dito is x squared minus 2x plus 3. Going back sa ating mga choices, x squared minus 2x plus 3, that is letter A. So, I hope marami po ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot. By the way, when simplifying algebraic expressions like this, kinakailangan mamaster nyo po muna yung basic operations involving different signs like positive times negative, negative times positive, and so on. Kasi kapag nahihirapan pa po kayo sa mga basic operations involving different signs, mahihirapan din po kayo sa pag-simplify ng mga algebraic expressions. So with that, let's proceed with number 2. Siya nga po pala, meron na tayong video on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide with different signs. I-browse nyo na lang po sa ating video list. So now, we have number 2. Simplify the expression 4 times the quantity 2x plus 3 minus 5 times the quantity x minus 6. You may pause the video if you'd like to answer. So, simple lang po ang gagawin natin dito. I-distribute muna natin si 4 sa bawat terms. At si negative 5 naman, dito rin sa bawat terms. So, we have 4 times 2x, that is simply 8x. Next, 4 times positive 3, that is positive 12. Dito naman sa kabila, negative 5 times x, that is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 6, that is positive 30. So, combine like terms, 8x and negative 5x, or simply 8x minus 5x, that is 3x. Next, 12 and 30. Pareho silang positive, so simply get the sum. So, that is 42. So, we have 3x plus 42, which is letter D. So, next, we have number 3. Simplify the expression 12x squared minus 8x divided by 4x. So paano naman po kaya sagutan ito? Ganito lang po yan. I-simplify po muna natin yung nasa numerator. I-factor out natin. So, kunin muna natin ang individual factors nila. So, ang factor po ni 12x squared is simply 4 times 3 times x times x. At ang factor naman po ni 8x is simply 4 times 2 times x. So, ang greatest common factor nilang dalawa is simply 4 and x. So, ibig sabihin pala nito, i-divide muna natin by 4x si 12x squared and negative 8x. So, ganito yan. 12x squared divided by 4x and that is simply 3x. Negative 8x divided by 4x and that is simply negative 2. Kasi kung i-multiply po natin pabalik si 4x kay 3x and negative 2, babalik po siya dito sa ating original na expression. So that means 4x times the quantity 3x minus 2 is the simplest form of this expression. Ngayon, na-simplify na po natin ang numerator. Just copy the denominator na si 4x. So 4x divided by 4x, that is 1. So our final answer is simply 3x minus 2. And that is letter A. Next, number 4. Simplify the expression the quantity 5x to the 4th power plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x minus 4 plus the quantity negative 2x cubed minus 3x plus 4. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to answer. So to simplify this, we have to copy first this expression 5x to the 4th plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x minus 4. Dito naman po sa kabila, as I've said earlier, na kapag walang number na nakikita dito sa labas, it is understood na may 1 dyan. So positive 1, i-distribute natin sa bawat terms. So positive 1 times negative 2x cubed, that is simply negative 2x cubed. Very good. Positive 1 times negative 3x, that is negative 3x. Next, positive 1 times positive 4, that is simply positive 4. Now, we can combine like terms. Again, i-combine lang po kapag same sila ng variable, let's say x and x, tapos same din sila dapat ng exponent. So, nag-iisa lang po yung expression or yung term na may exponent na 4. So, i-copy lang po natin siya. Okay? 5x to the 4th. Wala siyang kaparihan na may exponent na 4. Next, si 2x cubed and negative 2x cubed, pwede nating i-combine kasi same sila ng variable and exponent. Positive 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that is 0. So wala na tayong isusulat kasi 0 lang din naman. Next, negative x squared. Okay, wala siyang kaparihas. So i-copy po natin, negative x squared. Next, 3x and negative 3x. So that is 0 again. Okay, so wala na tayong isusulat kasi 0 lang din naman yan. Next, negative 4 and positive 4. That is also 0. So therefore, the final answer is simply 5x to the 4th power minus x squared. Going back to the choices, this is letter A. I hope you've got the correct answer. And lastly, simplify the expression 15x squared minus 17x minus 4 divided by the quantity 5x plus 1. So, paano kaya ito? So, this expression divided by 5x plus 1. So, tingnan nyo po kung paano natin i-divide. 15x squared divided by 5x and that is simply 3x. Now, 3x times this quantity, which is 5x plus 1. I-distribute lang po si 3x kay 5x and 1. So, 3x times 5x, that is simply 15x squared. And 3x times 1, that is simply positive 3x. Now, just simply change the sign. So, this will become negative. Since positive ito kanina, ginawa nating negative. So, this is 0. Dito naman, change the sign. from positive to negative, and that is simply negative 3x na siya. So negative 17x minus 3x, that is simply negative 20x. And bring down 4. I mean negative 4. Ngayon, negative 20x divided by 5x, and that is simply negative 4. Now, negative 4 times this quantity 5x plus 1, i-distribute na naman po si negative 4 kay 5x and 1. So, negative 4 times 5x, that is simply negative 20x. Negative 4 times positive 1, kaya naging negative 4. Now, change the sign from negative to positive. So, this is 0. At dito naman po, from negative 4 to positive 4, this is also 0. So, our final answer is simply 3x minus 4. And going back to our choices, this is letter B. And I hope you've got the correct answer. Leaving you a quote from Anthony J. D'Angelo, develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. That's all for this video, and I hope you've learned something new today. At kung bago ka pa lang po sa ating channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing our video to your friends. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.